given the road conditions in the interior. Under my constituency, 60 constituency Kanchanpur, there is a stretch of road of 26 kilometers, which is the main and only road that connects Kanchanpur to Anandabazar, Hazra. And 13 kilometers out of 26, 13 kilometers is Kanchanpur to Dazda is under TNGSY. And the other remaining 13 kilometers from Dazda to Anandabazar under falls under HSCL. So it's very pathetic to say that the road condition, the only road condition, the only highway, road connecting several 50 to 60,000 population is in very bad shape. The problem here is under the tri-party agreement, I think with the HSCL or whatever agency and state government and the central government, long time back, during the maintenance period, the concerned agency are not doing the maintenance period. So not timely doing the maintenance, the road is in such a condition that it's not walkable. I have raised these issues, I have written a letter to different concerned, Chief Secretary, DM, Honorable CM, because this road is the only lifeline. I request, not only this, under 60 constituencies there are so many roads that are under different agencies like HSCL and NHIDC. Because of their untimely things, mostly accident, people are patients, children, pregnant women, they are suffering, and it has taken a very toll on the daily. So I request the concerned department to take all these roads under state government, because there is a problem there, as Mr. Koller said. As it is under HSCL or NHIDCL, PWD are not able to do the maintenance work, or neither the HSCL or NHIDCL are concerned to do the repairing work. So in between, the daily commuter and the villager are suffering. For example, sir, here under HSCL road, Ringhampara, that is from Upper Dosta, Vikhoto to Upper Dosta road, Punnajanpara, KSR, came to Doharampara. So these are some roads that neither the PWD are able to do repairing work, or neither the concerned agency which are assigned are doing the repairing work. So I request the government to look into this matter and expedite the process of taking over. And one more thing, sir. As we know, that Jampu Hill is the only hill station that in our state, and where lots of tourists come. But Jampu Hill. So here under NHIDCL, the National Highway 208 has been constructed. But here there is one problem, that is Klaxi. I think everyone is aware of that landslide, irrespective of rain or non-seasonal rain. Here, even I will just inform, even the situation in the Klaxi, the landslide is so much dangerous that the villager, 17 to 20 families has been relocated, and it is at the brink of relocating the whole village. And sometimes, even it so happened that some dead body under burial ground has been shifted to another location. So we are waiting for a disaster any time. And during this rainy season, the situation is very pathetic and it's very risky to travel also. So I will request, even I think the concern has been, some technical scientists has also come and did the survey, but till now there is no solution. So the tourists are unable to go and visit the Jampu, as well as the local villager from the Jampu Hill, all from the country who like to travel here and there to Jampu, they are unable to take the road. And if they are somehow able to travel, but it is very risky. Every movement of time, there can be a landslide, there can be the life of the traveler or commuter can be danger. So I request the government, to the concerned department as well as our state government to kindly look into it, because right now it's after the rainy season it will be a winter, so lots of tourists will come, and at least if the tourists cannot go there, I think some revenue will be lost for our state offer. So I humbly request to look into it.